Welcome back. In this video, we will prove an equation to calculate area of a triangle. Again, we are using any other triangle, and we need to prove the area of this triangle equal half AB sine C or half BC sine A or half AC sine B, right? So let's try to prove this one. Okay, so we can use the same technique to prove other two. To prove this equation, we need to split this triangle into two right angle triangle using this word perpendicular line. Right, let's denote the angles and sides as using our normal notation. Now, since we have right angle triangles, we can use our formula. And you can see this is all about sine, so we can still use only sine. So sine is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Therefore, opposite equal hypotenuse times sine theta. In blue triangle, the opposite of this angle is this one, the height h. So the height h is hypotenuse b times sine a. And we know this side is small c. Now we know that area of a triangle is half times base times height. So half times, in this triangle, base is c and height is b sine a. So this concludes the proof, half bc sine a. And we can use the same technique to prove this one as well as this one. Thank you. Move on to next video.